the decision that changed their lives forever. In this classroom, year after year, students walked in with big dreams, but walked out with the same problem. No one ever taught them about money. They knew equations, history, and literature, but not how to manage a paycheck, avoid debt, or build wealth. And for many, that lack of knowledge cost them their future. Then, one year, something changed. A teacher made a simple decision. If no one else will teach them about money, I will. The lessons weren't about getting rich quick. They were about building smart habits, budgeting, investing early, avoiding debt traps, understanding how money actually works. For the first time, the students weren't just dreaming of success, they were planning for it. Years later, the impact became clear. Some started businesses. Others built savings their families never had. One decision, one lesson, changed their futures forever. Financial education isn't just about money, it's about freedom, the ability to choose your path instead of being trapped by bad decisions. What if every classroom taught this? What if you started today? Your future self will thank you.